Here's how to fix this device isn't compatible with this version of Android. Now, on your Android phone, if you're getting a message that looks like this, it says your device isn't compatible. When you go to download or play an app, you can always fix that by getting into your settings. So let's swipe up and open up your settings. The first thing we need to do is scroll down until we see the option that says software update. This sometimes fixes the issue. Just tap on download and install and check to see if there's a software update for your Android phone. If there is, just update it and most likely this will fix it. However, if it doesn't fix it, all we need to do is go back and go back. Now within the settings, we're going to scroll up and find the apps section. Let's tap on apps here. And then we're going to go down until we find the Google Play Store. So scroll down and there's Google Play Store. The first thing that we're going to do is scroll down and tap on storage. And we're going to clear the cache and then clear the storage within the Google Play Store. But that's not everything. Let's go back out of here. At the very top right, tap on those three dots and uninstall updates. This will uninstall those updates, and then you can just go through the process of reinstalling those updates. You can see just by tapping on it, it should go back then reinstall it. However, if that doesn't work for you, there's a second app that we're going to go to. The next one is Google Play Services instead. From here, let's scroll down again to storage. And we're going to hit clear cache and then clear data. After we've done that and hit clear all data, we're just going to go back and, similar to before, tap on those three dots and hit uninstall updates. Now, once you've uninstalled those updates and then just reinstall those updates for Google Play Services, you might want to restart your phone and it should be working normally at that point.